Hello there, welcome back, and today I'm actually very excited about this new video. So in this one we'll be making grass in Blender. So let's first delete this cube and Shift A, or you can come here, add mesh, and let's bring in the plane. And now we can actually scale it. Push S on the keyboard and just push 5. That's a good size. So now let's go under particles. So here under particle properties, let's add in a new particle system, which apparently, I don't know why, but my computer is not updating in real time. But here's the thing: change your particle system to hair, from emitter to hair, then change the length of the hair to 0.1, change the number of the particles that are there to 50,000, and just turn on the advanced and come down here. Let's go under physical properties and let's turn on the Brownian to 0.1 as well. Now apparently I've figured why it's okay. It's not really a solution, but a way for me to actually see what's going on. So I apparently have to go to the viewport shading, and oops, my system is slow. And I also have to change my render system from Eevee to cycle. I really don't know why it's performing like this, but I'm very sure on your machines it won't perform this way. But if it does, well, and if you know the solution to this, please just let me know in the description part. In the comment section. My bad. What am I thinking? Okay, let's just G to move it down. Just select the camera and position it to however you want. And another thing is, let's go under materials and add a new material to this, and let's change the color of this to a green. All right, and that's about it. So if you want, you can add an HDRI so that you can have some good lighting. Let's just go under world. So shading, world, turn that on, and let me just go back to this. So let me look for, so search, Shift A, and search for an environment texture. So let's plug this into the color and let's look for our image. So you go to your folder with HDRIs and just pick one image and open it. And our viewport is lit, so remember to save. I've done this video a couple of times, so I've saved it already. All right, and what else? That's about it. So now you can hit the render button. So just to kill the parts that are actually going beyond, is we can add in a new plane and we can scale it. Just take it all the way till it covers the whole area for this, and let's hit render. So in a case where you want to increase the length, the hair length, you can always come back here under particle properties and just increase it to whatever size you want, and it will definitely increase. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and bye bye. See you in my next video.